Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your kitchen, the sink dish drying rack. If you're tired of cluttered countertops and want a stylish, efficient way to dry your dishes, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 key benefits of using a dish drying rack right by your sink. From maximizing space and enhancing organization to improving drying efficiency and keeping your kitchen looking tidy, we've got all the insights you need. So let's get started and see how the sink dish drying rack can transform your dishwashing routine and elevate your kitchen experience. The GSlife over-the-sink dish drying rack is a game changer for kitchen organization. With its adjustable width, 26.3 to 35 inch, it fits perfectly over most sinks, saving counter space while keeping everything within easy reach. Featuring upper dual bars for stability, 3 spacious baskets, and hooks for extra storage, it's built to handle all your dishes, pots, and utensils. The durable, rust-resistant design ensures long-lasting use, making it both a stylish and practical solution for busy kitchens. YKLSLH over-the-sink dish drying rack 2 tiers. Effortlessly save counter space with the YKLSLH over-the-sink dish drying rack. Designed to fit all sinks from 24.H to 35.4H, this 2-tier rack offers ample room for plates, bowls, utensils, and even pots. The durable stainless steel frame resists rust, while the stable, non-slip feet keep everything secure. With its convenient design, your kitchen stays organized and dry, perfect for busy homes. GSlife dish drying rack with drain board. Expandable 2-in-1 dish racks for kitchen counter and sink. This versatile GSlife dish drying rack is a game changer for any kitchen. Its 2-in-1 design is perfect for both the counter and sink, expanding as needed to fit your space. The built-in drain board keeps water contained, while the durable, rust-proof material ensures lasting use. With plenty of space for dishes, cups, and utensils, this rack makes post-meal cleanup a breeze. GSlife small dish drying rack, ideal for RVs and small kitchens. Perfectly sized for tight spaces, the GSlife small dish drying rack is a game changer for RVs and compact kitchens. Its sturdy design holds plates, bowls, and glasses securely, while the rust-resistant coating ensures durability. The built-in drainage spout keeps your counter dry, making cleanup a breeze. A must-have for anyone looking to save space without sacrificing quality. Over-the-sink dish drainer drying rack, 2-tier adjustable width. This over-the-sink drying rack is a game changer for kitchen organization. With an adjustable width from 20.87 to 37.6 inch, it fits most sinks and maximizes counter space effortlessly. The 2-tier design holds plates, bowls, utensils, and even cutting boards, all while keeping water off your counters. Sturdy, rust-resistant, and easy to assemble, it's perfect for any busy kitchen looking to stay neat